This is 48.77 square meters, two-story residential building, owned by Ainsley. She's planning to design his residential building interior into Scandinavian with modern contemporary, but she's struggling to figure out how to organize and redesign his space. So, in this video, we're going to help her create a better design for her home. Let's get started. As you may remember, this is Ainsley's current house layout before her planned renovation. But she felt that the spaces weren't quite working for her. They felt cramped. So, she decided it was time for a change, a renovation to create the space she's always wanted. Therefore, she came to us with a new layout as our guide for the interior design. Then she shared some inspiration photos, leaning toward a Scandinavian style with modern contemporary touches. In our previous video, we dove into her living area, dining area, and the kitchen area, and gave it a stunning design through her chosen interior design style. If you haven't seen it yet, click the link below and catch all the details of her home transformation. Now, we're going to explore some of the areas in her second floor. First, we'll map out her space using a bubble diagram. Looking at her second floor, she extended the walls to create more space here. She plans to make this area her master's bedroom. In this space, she also wants to set up a workstation, which will include a working desk and a built-in cabinet placed behind the door. Her bed will go in this section, with 2 nightstands on each side. Across from the bed, she's included a spot for a TV console. For convenience, she added a walk-in closet next to the bedroom, along with a toilet and bath. Moving to the other side of the second floor layout, by extending the wall, she was able to create 2 more rooms, bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. Each bedroom is designed to maximize space. Next to bedroom 1, she added a common toilet and bath for shared use. Now, let's bring her ideas to life in our 3D model. Let's start with the flooring. Ainsley wanted laminate wood flooring in a soft wood tone for her space. So, we incorporated 1.2 by 0.2 meter laminate planks to achieve a sleek and natural look. This choice perfectly complements both Scandinavian and modern contemporary styles. The elongated planks enhance the room's length, creating a seamless and uninterrupted surface. To complete the look, we paired it with white walls, maintaining a bright and clean atmosphere that makes the space feel open and inviting. The master's bedroom. As we step into her master's bedroom, the first thing we see is the area where she wanted to place her working space. Behind the door, we added a built-in closet. It's made of laminated wood and is perfect for storing her shoes and bags. The clean white finish keeps it simple and neat. Next to the closet, we placed her working table first. It's made of engineered wood with a natural wood finish. We added a sleek chair with a fabric cushion for comfort, and we styled the tabletop with her work essentials and a few small decor items to keep it functional, yet personalized. Above the working table, we installed hanging shelves. These are also in a wood finish, providing space for her small decor pieces. On the wall behind the table, we added subtle wall accents for texture and a soft cove light in the ceiling to create a warm glow. On the other side, right in front of the window, is her second working table. This table is also made of engineered wood. We paired it with a modern working chair, comfortable and stylish. To make the most of this space, we added built-in shelves on the side. These shelves hold her decorative pieces, plants, and books, adding both functionality and charm. Above, the cove lighting extends across the ceiling, providing a soft and calming ambiance. We also included blinds on the window. These allow her to control the natural light during the day while still giving her privacy when needed. Let's move into her bed. We chose a low-profile bed with a soft upholstered headboard in a neutral gray fabric. That has cost $999, and if you're interested in this product, it's tagged in the description below. Next, we added the nightstands on both sides of the bed. That has cost $61.13. These are made of laminated wood with a soft wood tone, creating a cohesive look. We placed small decor items like a modern vase and a potted plant in the nightstand. Under the bed, we laid down a textured area rug in soft gray tones. The rug anchors the bed and makes the room feel warmer and more inviting. Behind the bed, the wall accent is a slatted wood panel in a light finish. It adds vertical lines and creates texture. To highlight the design, we installed warm LED strip lights behind the bed's headboard. The soft lighting creates a layered glow, adding depth and a cozy ambiance to the room. To enhance the accent wall further, we hung a framed abstract painting with warm tones. This serves as a focal point. Beside the window on the left, we placed plants to bring life and freshness to the space. We also added a floor lamp for extra lighting. To finish the window area, we used layered curtains. The sheer curtains let in soft, natural light, while the thicker brown ones provide privacy when needed. Looking up, her ceiling features a recessed ceiling design, or a drop ceiling, also known as a cove ceiling. We added warm cove lighting along the edges for a soft, glowing effect. This complements the pin lights that are evenly spaced to provide functional lighting throughout the room. For her TV console, we started with the marble wall panel that add elegance to the space. Next to the marble, we added another wall panel design. This one has a soft neutral tone and a matte finish, balancing the shine of the marble. Below the panels, we placed a floating console. It's made of white laminated wood for a clean and minimalist look. This cost $202.99. We styled the console with decor pieces, like books and small accents, to make the area feel personalized and warm. Above the console is her TV mounted at the center of the marble panel, creating a seamless look. To the side of the console, we placed a tall indoor plant in a black pot. We also add pendant lights. These lights feature a simple cylindrical design with a warm tone. This master's bedroom is designed to be both functional and relaxing. It's a space where she can unwind while still having everything she needs within reach. Let's start with her bed, which has a wooden frame in a light natural finish. The bedding is soft and neutral, with pops of teal and beige pillows to add color and style. Under the bed, we placed a rectangular area rug with muted tones of teal and beige that tie the room together and add texture. Behind the bed, we added a slatted wood accent wall in a light finish and added another wall panel that has a smooth finish. This creates vertical lines that make the room feel taller and more modern. To highlight the wall, we installed LED strip lights along the top and behind the bed, adding a warm glow that makes the space feel inviting. Above the bed, we hung an abstract painting with calming colors to serve as the room's focal point, and an accent light to the other wall panel to add balance. To the right of the bed, we added a cabinet with a foldable table attached to it. The cabinet is laminated in white, with sleek gold handles for a modern touch. The foldable table is practical and can be tucked away when not in use, saving space. Paired with the table is an upholstered chair in a warm brown tone for comfort. On the left side of the room, we hung a set of 3 framed horse artworks. At the corner, we added an accent chair to complete the look. This cost $406.48. Next to the cabinet, we placed a tall indoor plant in a neutral pot. The greenery brings life and freshness to the space. For lighting, we used recessed pin lights for general illumination and added linear lights on the ceiling for a sleek, modern look. This room is designed to feel fresh and functional, with every detail chosen to reflect her style and needs. Let's start with the bed. It has a simple wooden frame and a light wood finish, perfect for a Scandinavian-inspired look. The bed is styled with neutral-colored linens and a mix of soft pillows to add layers and comfort. To make the bed stand out, we will add LED strip lights underneath the frame. These lights create a soft glow that adds a modern touch. Behind the bed, we added a slatted wood accent wall in a light tone, creating vertical lines that make the room feel taller and more modern. To highlight the wall, we used warm LED strip lights just behind the headboard, creating a soft, inviting glow. On each side of the bed, we placed matching nightstands in the same light wood finish. These have open shelving for books or small items, keeping the space practical and uncluttered. On the nightstands, we added small decor items, including a table lamp and potted plants, for a touch of personality. We placed a soft woven rug underneath the bed that is cost $133.29. It features a neutral geometric pattern that adds texture and warmth to the room while complementing the overall design. Above the bed, we hung a framed abstract artwork with muted tones that complement the room's color palette. It serves as the focal point and ties the design together. Looking up, her ceiling features a recessed ceiling design, also known as a cove ceiling. The lighting in the room combines cove lighting on the ceiling and pin lights for general illumination, ensuring a well-lit and comfortable atmosphere. The large windows allow natural light to flow in, softened by sheer curtains, while the thicker drapes provide privacy and help control light when needed. We will also add a floor lamp in the corner. The lamp has a modern design with a slim base, providing additional lighting and a cozy ambiance. Next, we move to the wardrobe and vanity area. The wardrobe is sleek and functional, with a white laminated finish and gold handles for a modern touch. It provides plenty of storage for clothes and accessories. Beside the wardrobe, we added a small vanity table with a matching light wood finish, and a white chair with wooden legs. A tall, rounded mirror sits above it, reflecting light and making the space feel larger. The vanity is styled with minimal decor, keeping it clean and functional. On the other wall, we placed a pair of modern black and white framed artworks to add contrast and a graphic element to the room. This room strikes the perfect balance between functionality and style, making it both inviting and practical. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never missed another design tips.